Meet the Polestar 6, a pure electric roadster built for open-air thrills. 884 horsepower, 0 to 60 miles per hour, and is almost equal to 3.2 seconds, and just $200,000 for this electrifying experience. Two-door convertible electric roadster seating 4, based on the O2 concept. Dual-motor AWD delivering 660 kW, is almost equal to 884 horsepower, and 900 Newton-meters torque. Range around 482 kilometers, is almost equal to 300 miles. Price projected at $200,000, especially for the limited LA Concept Edition, 500 units sold out quickly. Likely to include premium features, lean suspension, adaptive cruise, HUD, Google-based UI, high-end interior. Would you take this electric roadster on a scenic drive or keep it as a weekend showstopper? Tell me below. And if you want to see how it stacks up against ICE roadsters or Tesla's second-gen roadster, subscribe to Auto Wealth Wheels.